Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video. In today's video we will be featuring Geeta Hair. Big shout out to Geeta Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have a 24-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig. This is a body wave texture. So once again we are working with a balayage highlight. This one is a little different. I feel as if there's a lot more highlights than dark strands throughout this wig, which I really do like. This is a full density wig. She's 250 density, so it's a whole lot of hair. So prior to this video I did bleach the knots and I tweezed the hairline. This is a 13x4, but on the website you can purchase this in either a 4x4 or a 13x4. This is HD lace. Prior to this video I also tinted the lace with the Eben lace spray tints just for a better blend. I did do a ball cap method prior to the video, so that is what is underneath. I did decide to go with a side part. You can't go too deep with the side part because this is not a full 13x4. I made it work. I feel like the fact that it doesn't have full parting is not a deal breaker, and the only reason it's not a deal breaker is because they give you 250 density and the 24 looks like a 26. So those two things make up for the fact that you don't have a full 13x4 parting space, but definitely keep that in mind if you're going to purchase, because that means you cannot do deep side parts. You have to stick with a center part, an off-center part, or you can do a curved side part. So you can still achieve a side part, but it's going to be curved. It's not going to be deep. So I just want to make sure I point that out. I decided to curl the hair. This hair is going to require hairspray. One thing I also did prior to this video was I did flat iron the hair bone straight. So when it came to curling the hair and I didn't want to use a lot of hairspray, it took like a couple of recurls and a little spray here and a little spray there because I had already flat ironed the hair. But if you are going to curl this hair, I would suggest using a hairspray. Get the adjustable straps as well as a elastic band. So those are two extra forms of security for your wig. I think I covered just about everything. All the details will be down in the description box. I will have the discount code in the comment section as per usual. Big shout out to Geeta Hair for sponsoring today's video, or Geeta Hair, Geeta Hair. Do not mind the background. I am working on like setups for like TikToks and TikTok hair tutorials as well as YouTube hair tutorials, so it's gonna be a lot of different scenery changes, so just roll with the flow, okay? But yeah, big shout out to Geeta Hair, big shout out to y'all for watching another video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
How this goes? Did I forget who I am? And how this goes?
Only heaven knows if you can truly be in the midst of a world that's golden.
How am I up right now? I'm still down.
Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden.
How am I up right now? I'm still down. Niggas dying every day. What can I say? They just want me to say. It's like everyone wants you to think how they think and do what they say. Still do it. And if you don't want her, they got a problem. Yeah.
Did I forget who I am?
How this goes?
Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden.
Oh, am I up right now? Nah, still down. Niggas dying every day. What can I say? They just want me to say. It's like everyone wants you to take holiday and do what they say. But stay out the way. And if you don't want other got a problem.
Yeah. I be too sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself, nigga, come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you hurt me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't wanna stay with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this time enough.